Most reward apps don't actually have a true, no minimum payout system. Even when they advertise it, they usually mean lower withdrawal thresholds or instant conversion once your balance is eligible for a specific payment method. By the end of this, you'll know 5 reward apps that are commonly used for low or near zero payout limits, how their cash-out systems work, and what actually decides how fast you can access your money. Start with what no minimum payout usually means in practice. Most apps still require some form of eligibility check before sending money. That can be a small balance threshold, a verified payment account, or a redemption method like PayPal or gift cards. The difference is how low that barrier is, not whether it exists at all. So instead of thinking no minimum, it's more accurate to think very low friction cash out. First category is instant gift card reward apps. These apps let you convert points into gift cards almost immediately once you earn enough for a specific reward. The limit depends on the smallest available card, which makes it feel like there's no real waiting period. Second category is microtask reward apps. These apps pay you for surveys, offers, or small online tasks. Some allow withdrawals in very small increments, so you can cash out earlier than traditional reward platforms, but availability depends on your profile and region. Third category is gaming reward apps. These apps let you earn by playing mobile games or completing in-game milestones. Cash-out speed depends heavily on how quickly you complete early game offers, since those usually give the fastest rewards. Fourth category is cashback-style apps. These apps reward you for purchases or receipts. In some cases, earnings can be withdrawn as soon as they are confirmed, but processing times depend on retailer validation. Now here's what actually matters more than payout limits. Earning speed is more important than withdrawal rules. An app with no minimum payout still feels slow if rewards accumulate slowly. Offer availability is the second factor. If there are few active tasks or games, reaching any cash-out level becomes harder. And payment method flexibility matters more than people realize. Some payout options process faster than others even inside the same app. Payout. So instead of chasing no minimum payout apps, the smarter approach is focusing on apps that let you earn consistently and unlock withdrawals quickly once you qualify. Summary: most reward apps still have hidden or technical payout limits. Real speed depends on earning rate, offer availability, and payment method processing. No app truly guarantees unlimited instant cash out for everyone. Next step: try one low payout reward app and see how quickly you can reach your first withdrawal threshold under real conditions. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or misleading claims.